Ensure that all pages on the site can be reached by a link from another findable page. The referring link should include either text or, for images, an alt attribute that is relevant to the target page. Crawlable links are tags with an href attribute. What we're talking about here is internal linking structure. When Googlebot arrives at your website, it arrives to a specific page. We hope this page is your home page, but it could also be another page on your website or your client's website found through an inbound link. From here, the crawler will continue its journey, looking for pages to index based on links internally set from a specific page. So you must decide which pages on your website are the most important. Suppose your website or your client's website has 4 pages, A, B, C, and D. Your most important page is A, followed by B, then C, and then D. Let's assume, for the sake of this example, that your website has no internal links. Suppose page C receives an inbound link and is now found by a crawler. Since there are no internal links to other pages on your website, the crawler only finds one page out of 4 on your site. It has nowhere else to go. Of course, this is a very simplistic example. Most websites will have at least some navigation elements such as a menu or a footer, which allows a crawler to find more pages. But it's not just more pages that we are concerned about, it's the right pages. We want to make sure that page A links to page B, which then links to page C, then D in that specific hierarchy. We don't want page D to link directly to page A, which then links to page C and then to B. This tells the crawler that our hierarchy is DACB as opposed to ABCD. Once again, a very simplistic example, but you must learn as an SEO to see your clients' websites in this manner, regardless of how large or small they may be.